Landrum, and yes, I've got my I voted sticker on, and you know this is pre-recorded because voting day was November 6th. We're in season 3, episode 12 of Golf Cart Confessions, and I have a special guest. So let's jump right into it with Late Night. What's up?
How's it going, Kenny? I am so excited to be here with you. I've been a fan of the show since you first started it, and the honor of being able to be with the Kinny Landrum. Let me tell you, people think that I have some minor celebrity status. This man makes me look like a nobody.
You know, we're just having fun, Late Night. That's what Golf Cart Confessions is. Having fun, it's entertaining. So let's jump right into your confession.
I'm going to tell you two things before I'm going to tell you my confession.
Got it.
Okay? First off, because I'm a fan, I knew I had to wear shades.
Ah, okay.
The people that get on this show that don't wear shades, you're obviously not a fan of the show.
They are a fan, Late Night.
Okay? Because you have to. It's part of it. And the other thing is, if you're going to keep inviting guests like me on, we've got to get bigger golf carts.
We do need a bigger golf cart, guys. We are huge guys.
We are pretty big dudes.
Yes.
Is what I'm saying. But I spent a lot of time thinking because since I'm on the air on the Goober Morning Crew on Late Night in the Morning on Goober 95.1, I tell my audience so much about me. Mm-hmm. And I thought I wanted something that my audience has never heard before just for you.
All right. They never heard this before.
This is a confession I've never told on the air before.
Got it.
Okay? I still tie my shoes the bunny ear method.
Wait a minute. The bunny ear method?
The bunny ear method.
Tie a basic knot. Make 2 loops. Crisscross the loops. Tuck one under and pull.
I got made fun of
Uh-huh.
because I thought that the quick method, the easy method, was some sort of witchcraft. Like time dimensional folding was happening in that one moment where it goes around and through and whoa, what happened? And it traumatized me, and I've used the bunny ear method ever since.
Nothing wrong with the bunny ear method, Late Night.
But because of that, I also don't eat Hassenpfeffer.
Hassenpfeffer?
Yeah,
What's that?
it's a dish with rabbit in it, I think.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, using the bunny ear method to tie your shoes and eating Hassenpfeffer might not go together. So
Right.
I understand that. I do.
Yeah.
So Late Night, tell me a little bit about what you do here in Bowling Green, Kentucky.
Well, I get paid to be completely stupid,
Okay.
pretty much.
And where do you do that?
I am on from 6 to 10 weekdays on Goober 95.1, the country station, where I have a lot of great guests on. I hope to have you on here soon.
That'd be awesome.
And we just laugh about things going on and try to make people's morning bright. I also announce roller derby, boxing, mixed martial arts, professional wrestling, and do a lot of commercials.
You don't do a lot of things, do you?
No, I'm a pretty lazy guy.
As a matter of fact, your schedule was probably really open to come do this, seeing that you're involved in all those other things.
You know, I just thought, I'm not doing anything. I'd swing by and maybe the Kenny Landry would actually give me some time, and you just happened to say, all right, fine. I've been begging this man for, no, actually.
That's funny. Now, what are some of the social media pages that we need to talk about? Goober, the country station.
Yeah, you go to Facebook at Goober951 or any of the other social medias at Goober951. I post a lot of stuff there. I post a lot of stuff on my Facebook page. You can friend me there at Late Night Lyle. I'm super easy to find. I'm the big dude with incredible hair. Just look for the guy that looks like Fabio from those Harlequin romance commercials.
Yes.
Except bigger, so I'm Flabio.
Man, I tell you, I think we could talk for probably 10 or so minutes. What do you think?
Oh, I'm sure we could talk for a long time. I'm willing to talk, but I know you've got things this is the busy man. He talks about my schedule.
No.
This is the busy man.
No, I don't know about all that. Late Night, I really appreciate you joining me on Golf Cart Confessions today.
I really appreciate you having me. This is a blast.
This is awesome. We are moving into the holiday season, so happy holidays to everybody. And gosh, that was Late Night on season 3, episode 12. Who will we interview next?
Get out there and hug somebody.
It could be